Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be doing a whole roast chicken on the barbecue. So what we'll do is go straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so I said in today's video, what we're going to be doing is cooking a whole chicken on the barbecue. Now, I'm going to be smoking it, so there'll be a smoker packet in there, and I'm going to be showing you how I stuff the garlic in as well, get that garlic flavour through that chicken as well, and it's going to come out nice and moist and really, really tender. Now, don't forget, everything I use in this video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. So what we'll do is we'll go straight to it. Right, so I'm just going to chop up some garlic, because I like to have that, some slithers in my chicken, and I'll show you how I do that in a minute. Right, so make sure you wash your chicken off first, and what we're going to do is just totally dry it with some paper towel, and then that's ready to start seasoning. Right, so with our chicken, I'm literally going to put some garlic just under the skin, and you're going to put some in the belly as well. And all that garlic will actually infuse into that chicken. Just put some on the bottom. And then what we're going to do is just cover it with some olive oil. That should cover all those legs. And make sure the back's covered as well. Right, now what I'm going to do is just season it. Now you can make your own season, but I tend to use this one at the moment. So with our Q, it's a 10-minute preheat again to get it to that high heat, ready for that roasting. You're going to need a convection tray and you're going to need a trivet. What I like to do first, put that convection tray on, and then put on that trivet. And then what I'm going to do at the same time is put my smoker on, just there. And what we'll do is we'll light that. We'll shut that lid and leave it for a 10-minute preheat. So Q's been heating for about 10 minutes now. I've moved the smoker packet to the back purely because I've got a baby Q. So if you've got a family Q, you can stick it to the side. It's not an issue. And what we're going to do is stick this chicken straight on. So let's get this chicken in. And then it says garlic, just put it back in. Make sure that's in the breast and not in the bone. So now that chicken's started to cook, we're going to start chopping these vegetables. So what we'll do is go straight to it. So that's literally coming up to 72 degrees, so it hasn't got far to go now, as you can see on the igrill 3. And you can see the graph, it's literally been on about an hour and a half. So I'll just leave that to finish cooking. And these are the veggies we've put on the Genesis, and they've been on about an hour, so they're more or less done as well, purely because we couldn't fit them on the BBQ. So you can hear the BBQ going off at the moment. That's the igrill 3 just letting us know that that chicken's nearly done. So you can see that hit 74 degrees now, so that is ready to come off. I'm just going to pull the probe out. And this chicken is going to taste absolutely beautiful. And we'll just put that on the board, move that smoker box, and we'll just leave that on low just to burn off those excess fats. Once these veggies are ready to come off, as you see they're all nicely caramelised, and those roasters are going to taste absolutely beautiful. So all I do with that chicken now is I'm just going to wrap that up and leave it to rest, just to let that meat relax. You can literally smell that garlic, and it smells absolutely gorgeous with all those herbs as well. So that's been resting now for about 15 minutes. Oh, that smells absolutely gorgeous. So let's just see how moist that chicken is inside. So moist you can actually taste the garlic. Alright, so let's get this plated up. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you found it really informative. As you can see, it's so easy to cook that whole chicken on the BBQ. I did do the vegetables on the Genesis, as you saw, purely because we've got a BBQ and there's 5 of us sometimes and I haven't got that much room. But if you've got a Q1200 or a family Q, you've got plenty of room to get those veggies around that roast. My only advice is put them in literally an hour before that roast is due. And as you can see from the igrill, you can see the temperatures as well. It literally took about an hour and a half to actually cook. And it tastes absolutely superb. The pumpkin comes out really nice, really moist. Really, really nice roast pumpkin. I've never had pumpkin until I moved to Australia. There's one for you. I always thought pumpkins were for Halloween and that was it. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers and I'll catch you in the next one. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, if I like what you comment, but if you've got a Genesis, if you've got a BBQ,